going to make a vlog. Hi, this is my friend. She buy empanada. This is empanada. Say hi to my vlog. We're here at Handyman. Yeah, I'm doing a vlog. Sorry. Say hi again. Okay, I'm her personal assistant. Where she go? I go. Ay, mali. Hi, ma'am. Ma'am, pa-picture po. And now, yan po. Please assistance. Ay, walang us.
Pwede magtanong sa bakla.
Ay, pauwi na po kasi.
Meron kayong video. Anong bangko niya? Bigyan kita ng free. Tumbler, ma'am. Bili ka lang.
Just pa. Kasi harang po kami.